alleging. Anything you
Global payment giant using Ripple's xRapid and XRP in Latin America, with Asia Pacific to follow. We're learning more about the partnership between Ripple and Cambridge Global Payments, which is testing xRapid for cross-border payments. Cambridge Global processes more than $20 billion in B2B international payments each year, and a document has surfaced revealing exactly where the company is using Ripple's technology. The Nelson Report, a publication covering payment systems around the world, published an article on the partnership in March, which says Cambridge Global will first use Ripple XRP in Mexico. Other countries in Latin America as well as in Asia Pacific will follow. The report goes on to explain exactly how Toronto-based Cambridge Global may benefit from Ripple's proprietary xRapid technology. Cambridge will test expansion of its blockchain-based processing to include the use of XRP, Ripple's digital asset, cryptocurrency. XRP and the XRP ledger software it works with are both part of xRapid, Ripple's on-demand liquidity service. Currently, a company like Cambridge needs to keep funds in bank accounts in many countries in which it does business to make financial settlement. In any country in which Ripple can provide immediate conversion of XRP to fiat currency and submit that credit into the local automated clearinghouse network, ACH, Ripple clients do not need to keep their own funds in a local bank. Ripple has been steadily growing its partnerships with financial institutions and money transfer companies. They realize Ripple's blockchain can protect some of their legacy businesses while also using the technology to establish new business involving instant data exchange accompanied by a financial value exchange. Ripple will expand its blockchain for cross-border B2B payments to any country that can provide instant ACH settlement after near real-time conversions of its XRP digital currency to the local fiat currency. The report is based on interviews with Cambridge Chief Operating Officer Mark Frey and Ripple Labs Director of Business Development Danny Aranda. Ripple, XRP, passes rival Swift's XRP's marginal improvement. Ripple, the leader in blockchain-backed remittance services, showed no interest in its rival Swift's improved global payments innovation XRP service and passed it as a mere marginal improvement based on an outdated architecture. Swift is a non-blockchain remittance service and is used as a standard in the industry. Recently, Swift has managed to upgrade its transaction speed, making it less than 30 minutes for 50% of the transactions and under 24 hours for almost all the transactions. The finance firm will also roll out its XRP to 10,000 banks listed on its global network, for cross-border remittance. Emi Yoshikawa, Ripple's director of joint venture partnership, on June 27 claimed to have superior features in her fintech firm and that Swift cannot reach up to Ripple's near real-time transaction settlements. Emi, at MTech Hong Kong, also said, Swift was built 40 or 50 years ago before the internet was created. So their architecture is very old. They realize that this is a big problem and they consider us a big competitor. They're also trying to make a big improvement based on the existing architecture, called Swift XRP. We consider it just a marginal improvement of their existing architecture. She further explained that the issue of transaction efficiency and speed can only be solved by changing the entire layer of the existing infrastructure. Through this, she implied the essentiality of the blockchain technology in the industry. Currently, Ripple is just a marginal player in this industry but has boarded on partnerships with some of the top-tier banks for its fast-paced progress. On the other hand, though not blockchain-based, Swift is well aware of its functioning and capabilities. It conducted its own experiments with the technology during April 2017. However, the company was not convinced and confident of backing its services by blockchain, as it is still in its budding phase. Ripple, XRP, June loss was 35%, can it recover after new 2018 lows? At the moment, the value of Ripple, XRP, is on the low side, dropping to 4.51% in last 7 days. In the previous 24 hours, Ripple, XRP, got stable a bit, alongside the whole crypto market, and went down by 0.59% only. Just a couple of days ago, the coin reached its new lows this month to $0.453. So, Ripple's price fell from $0.546 earlier last week, but the price is now at $0.457. The dip margin doesn't look significant despite the crypto market being at a turbulent state lately. The current trend with Ripple, XRP, takes us back to last year before the price increase with all cryptocurrencies from December last year to January this year. During the price increase, XRP recorded a surge from $0.45 to $3.81. The price surge in the market only lasted till January. Cryptocurrencies had an exponential increase in price in April 2017, but XRP didn't really have many profits. Although Ripple, XRP, had a 60% boost in April, if we are to compare with other cryptos, Ripple's percentage boost wasn't up to the mark as other coins had a triple value to it at that time. If we take a look at Ripple's trend every month, there isn't much to be happy about. This is due to the fact that it had a 35% fall since 4th of June when XRP was valued at $0.703 per coin. Crypto Comparmjack Blockchain Summit. During the 2018 Crypto Comparmjack Blockchain Summit, in London, Ripple's Daniel Aranda talked about the company's future, the upcoming new type of internet called IOV, Internet of Value, and Ripple's role in this new type of internet. Aranda disclosed how Ripple could introduce the IOV to the world. Aranda's comment during the Blockchain Summit in London means that Ripple and XRP, Ripple's cryptocurrency, will be the backbone of the Internet of Value. Ripple and XRP have revolutionized the way in which cross-border financial settlements can be made. In this view, Aranda also stressed the importance of Ripple, XRP, in changing the financial industry today. Furthermore, he disclosed that Ripple surpasses SWIFT when it comes to its cross-border innovations. Aranda stated during the Blockchain Summit, "I think what you can expect from Ripple is more focus and traction around cross-border payments. If one of our early competitors is SWIFT, then what we offer has to be really good if we're to beat them. We think our traction is playing out, and network effects are starting to build around that. Therefore, we can see that Ripple, XRP, is futuristic and it holds lots of plans for the future. There are more to come from the cryptocurrency which might increase its current price value in the crypto market, and help it recover quicker than many might be thinking it's possible. We just need to wait and see." Ripple XRP touching new heights soon. Predicting exactly when that's going to happen is tough, though. Ripple slapped with another suit alleging XRP is a security. Yet another securities fraud lawsuit has been filed against Ripple in California. In the latest suit, the lead plaintiff, David O'Connor, is seeking to have the XRP cryptocurrency classified as a security. The case was filed in California's Superior Court sitting in San Mateo County and has named Ripple Labs, its chief executive officer, Brad Garlinghouse, and XRP2 LLC, a money service business unit of Ripple Labs, as defendants. According to the lawsuit, the way XRP cryptocurrency is managed and distributed by Ripple Labs as well as how the coin is conflated with the company's product offerings makes XRP a security. Consequently, the suit claims that the firm has thus violated securities laws by selling it. Ripple Labs is also alleged to have promoted the XRP cryptocurrency in a bid to increase its value. One of the ways employed by Ripple to achieve this was to limit distribution. Lawsuit claims Ripple is pumping the XRP price per the suit. Last year in May the company disclosed that the distribution of 61.68 billion XRP that Ripple owned would be limited, with the firm placing 55 billion XRP in an escrow account. According to the lawsuit, executives at Ripple, including the CEO, were active in promoting this fact with a view of driving the price up. The lawsuit goes further to state that, by limiting supply, the intended effect was achieved. Ripple's public commitment to limit the supply of XRP had its intended effect. In the weeks that followed, the price of XRP rapidly increased, from approximately 22 cents per token on December 7, 2017 to $3.38 per token on January 7, 2018, the complaint reads. This is the third class action lawsuit that Ripple is facing, as CCN has previously reported. Last month a suit was filed by Vladi Zakinov, also in California's Superior Court in San Mateo County, alleging that XRP is a security under the control of Ripple Labs. According to Zakinov, Ripple should have registered XRP prior to selling it, though this never happened. Additionally, the lawsuit alleged that improper statements were made by the company and its executives and this had the effect of raising XRP's price. Never-ending initial coin offering, and in May there was another class action lawsuit against Ripple in which the same allegations of violating securities regulations were put forward. According to Ryan Coffey, the lead plaintiff in the particular suit, Ripple Labs and other defendants had profited massively by engaging in a never-ending initial coin offering. The lawsuit also accused Ripple Labs of portraying the XRP cryptocurrency as a good investment, as well as relaying optimistic price predictions. The company's defense team is comprised of Joe White, a former chair of the Securities and Exchange Commission, and Andrew Sersny, a former enforcement chief at the same regulatory body. Still in a gray area, Ripple has consistently refuted the argument that XRP is a security. In April, the chief market strategist of Ripple, Corey Johnson, said in a television interview reported by CCN, "We absolutely are not a security. We don't meet the standards for what a security is based on the history of court law." Last month, a director of the Corporation Finance Division of the SEC, William Hinman, indicated that the body did not consider Ethereum to be a security. However, he made no mention of Ripple. At the time, a spokesperson for Ripple said they looked forward to getting a similar confirmation from the SEC.